Hey, it's Rob at EMPI. Welcome back to What's in the Box. Today's guest, if you want the very best braking system, if you've invested in, for example, our EMPI Wilwood brake upgrades, this is the master cylinder you've been looking for. So today we're going to talk about 98600B. That is our 25 millimeter brake master cylinder. So again, if you want a firm pedal, and if you want to be able to stop when you push the pedal the first time, not have to pump to get a firm pedal, then you are going to want this master cylinder. This is a dual circuit cylinder, so a little extra safety built in. It's going to move more fluid. As that pedal is pushed, we will move more fluid because the bore of the master cylinder is larger. So that's very critical. If you've got a stock braking system, this is probably not your master cylinder. If you have upgraded disc brakes, if you've upgraded to our Wilwood kits, you're going to want to think about this master cylinder. As you notice, reservoir not included. Our reservoir 1728780, that's the reservoir that will go with this. But you've got the OE look and style, right? You've got a larger bore, move more fluid. You have bigger brakes. You want a firm pedal. More importantly, you don't want to hit people that cut you off on the freeway, because people seem to cut off old, nice cars all the time, from my personal experience. Then you are going to want one of these. That's what's in the box. Thanks for watching.